Hello everyone, I'm Roberto Coscia, and in today's video I want to show you a tool which is singular in its sense because there are no many other tools that actually can navigate the web based on AI prompts unless you use the Playwright MCP used with AI coding tool like Cursor. This tool can be installed easily and for free on your Chrome browser, and it allows you to navigate, give instructions on the web, and on autopilot do stuff for you. This is called Nano Browser and is an open source project that has been developed, and you can use total for free because you can use, for example, paired with AI tools such as Google Gemini with the Google AI Studio API key that allows you to basically to use this tool totally for free because Google AI Studio is basically for free for you within a certain limits, but very generous limits. Um, so as you can see, if you go to nanobrowser.ai, you can see here the um, you can basically download, you can add to Chrome. Um, you might have noticed the previous video I made about Nano Browser with the AI tool in Video AI Studio. That video was a bit of flop, but I was really curious to understand if you guys prefer that type of ways to structure a video or this way, which is more genuine and discursive from myself real. um, but let me know in the comment what do you think, and look at that video, just the previous video I made. I'm really curious to see what do you think about it, because anyway it's very cool. It seems almost real, and it is not. By the way, this tool, Nano Browser, um, as you can see here, you can see some characteristics. It's totally free alternative to OpenAI, Operator, or the browser use, which is another tool that allow you to use the browser with the Playwright outside the box. Why Nano Browser is 100% free, is privacy focused. You can Why? Because you can use local LLM. Obviously, if you use OpenAI, Google, obviously they might use the data to train their own LLM, but you can use your local AI, for example, with the LM Studio. But by the way, let's just go to the source. It's fully open source. Uh, how to get started? It's very easy. You just have to add this to Chrome, and here it will be written install. Once you install, which I already did, you have to pin it. This will not be pinned, so you just pin it, which I did already. At this point, you will have this N showing here, and you can click on it, and you can have a display on the right hand side this nice and easy interface. So now what you need to do here is to go to the setting. Why? Because you need to tell this tool which LLM you want to use. If you have an API key from LM Studio or from from DeepSeek, from OpenAI, you can add it here. Otherwise, if you just want to test, you can use also, as I did, I created the OpenAI key from Google AI Studio. Uh, you can, once you get in here, you can get the API key. So you click here, and I have many, but you can basically clicking to create API key and completed the process, which is very easy. Get this API key, which you can copy and paste here. In the LLM provider, in the model section, in the navigator, and in the validator. So, and the speech to text model. So basically, you can use uh, even different models or the same as I did. I'm using Gemini Flash in this case, but you can use any that you would like. And you can go to the next step. So, use cases to use um, Nano Browser. You could even ask, let's say, to go to Amazon and search for a pair of black shoes. You just write it, then the planner will make the correct action required and it will go with it. Maybe we can actually do that. Please choose, find in Amazon Italy a pair of black summer shoes. Let's see what it does. You can also, if you click to the microphone, you can obviously use the microphone to give the AI the commands. But in this case, I will just click send and let's see in action what it's doing. It is actually going to Amazon, not doing anything. You see, the planner is doing step one, search Amazon. Step two, navigate to official Amazon. Step three, once Amazon search for scarpe estive nere, which is Italian, in Italian for shoes. And the AI is understanding by heart, so what to write, and is writing scarpe estive nere, which means summer, black summer shoes. And as you can see, it just did what it was asked, just with the power of AI. Another, for example, another case scenario you could use it to is to find best movies in June 2025 or July. You could find a table, even in marketing, maybe you could find the five competitors, or let's say in YouTube channel, you could say five competitors in the AI niche in YouTube. That could be the case. Maybe you could create a table. And you can see it here as a solution. The validator, it has just found successfully a pair of black summer shoes. And yeah, you could buy them as next step. And you have already done for you. Um, you could really do anything you want. Maybe you can even ask, give me a table of the five best shoes, summer shoes. I'm really curious to see if you create a table. So that is, if you think about it, is actually crazy. Is fantastic. Uh, Now it is searching five shoes, and I was just curious to see if it will just give it as a response the five shoes in a table. And it did. It actually did. The format maybe is not the best. You could though copy the validator response in ChatGPT to clean the look of the table. Uh, Probably it's obvious that the Nano browser is not done to give you perfect format, but the response was provided. It also provided the rating and characteristic of the shoes. So, uh, you- what do you think about this tool? What would you use it best for? Another quick case scenario would use it maybe is for automation testing. Probably would ask to follow certain amount of steps and to get the locators or the best locators for playwright and the best practice locators to use for the automation testing. This maybe can make things faster in that sense. Maybe I could use it for marketing purposes. I could use it to perform tasks without having to figure out which website to follow. It can make your life easier and it's totally free. What do you think are other case scenarios that I'm missing that can be simplified by this tool? Let me know. And consider to like, comment, and subscribe to show love to this channel and to this the cause of this video. This tool is fantastic, and I think will be really a good add-on to your productivity. Subscribe this channel and push notification bell. This really help this channel to be seen by you, and next video where I can share you more and more value in the future. By then, uh, I wish you a good day and see you in the next video.